Blessings community, thank you for joining me in another video here at This Friends Hit and Yoni Love Herbals. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel, push the notification bell so you can be updated each and every time I upload a brand new video. I am simply coming to do this video really quickly just to make two major announcements. The first thing is that Yoni Love Herbals officially has black castor oil, black Jamaican castor oil that we released on Black Friday into our collection. We will be having full womb healing packs. So we will have full womb packs that you will be able to utilize while you are using your black castor oil. But I will do a whole nother video that talks about the benefits of castor oil in case you don't know them. I will do another video for that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to make that announcement. And also the main reason for this video is to let you know that right now, this is Tuesday, November the 29th that I'm posting this video. So right now, Tuesday and tomorrow, Wednesday, which is the 30th of November, all of our Yoni Steams are 50% off on the website. So if you have been interested in trying to figure out how to Yoni Steam, want to learn more about it, are interested in knowing more, dealing with womb health and wellness, any of those kind of things, reach out to me and ask me. Check out the videos that are on the channel, but also go get you a Yoni Steam. All of our minis right now are $2.50. Okay, all of our mediums are between I think it's like $9 and like $14 or $15, and then all of our larges are anywhere from like $12 to $15, $16. Like the price of these Yoni Steams is ridiculous. So I'm putting it out there because I do have a lot of sisters who reach out to me and ask me about Yoni Steaming, or they want to try it out and they just want to have the experience. And this is the perfect time to do it while we are having a major sale. Also on the website, if you buy 3 Yoni Steams, that comes to the amount of $25 or more. So if all 3 of your Yoni Steams that you get come to the amount of $25 or more, you will get a free tea along with your order that goes to the same line of Yoni, one of the same line of the Yoni Steam. So if you pick 3 different Yoni Steams, you will be able to pick which tea you want to be able to go inside of your package. And then also on December 1st, we are officially launching our Optimal by Yoni Love Herbals 28-day healing system. And I will be dropping that video on December 1st to show you everything that is coming inside of that subscription box. Also inside of the sales that we are doing this week, or our 50% off special that we're doing this week, all herbal teas won't be 50% off. They will be 40% off, but they will be 40% off on Thursday. So I just wanted to come and make that announcement really quick. I know a lot of people are doing holiday shopping. They're interested in trying out Yoni Steaming for themselves or for other people. Yoni Love Herbals, in case you don't know, also does carry a gift card. So we have gift cards available. So if you want to, like, if you know a sister friend, or you have a mom, or you have an aunt, or you have somebody that you think would be able to benefit from Yoni Steaming or womb health and wellness overall, you can literally get them a gift card that will be sent to them, and they will be able to use that to purchase what they want on side of Yoni Love Herbals website, and for you to be able to share the love of womb healing this holiday season. All right. I love y'all. Thank you as usual for tuning in and being a part of my community. If you have not already, push the notification bell and the subscribe button, because I don't know what the hell you're waiting for at this point. Push the notification bell and the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated every time I drop a brand new video. I love y'all. Peace. Until next time.